How to restore recently deleted Instagram posts. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a recently deleted post on Instagram. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do here, first of all, go to Play Store, and then here you just need to search for Instagram. So after searching for Instagram, make sure to update your Instagram here. So after updating your Instagram, just get inside the Instagram, and then here you can see this is my post. This is my post. I have only uploaded one post, and let me just click here, and then here you can see 3 days on the top right corner. Simply tap here, and then here delete option. So let me just show you how you can get this recently deleted feature. So I have successfully deleted the post. You can see here I don't have any post right now. So to get this post back on your Instagram, what you need to do here, you have to just click on this 3 days on the top right corner of your profile, and then this type of interface will pop up. So now what you need to do, you have to click on the settings on the bottom. Just click on settings, and after clicking to this, just click on account option. After clicking to this account, I'm going to show you what you have to do here. So before that, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos every day. So now after coming here, you have to just scroll down, and here you will find an option recently deleted features. Simply you need to tap here, and then here you can see it will be available till 30 days before it's gathered. So here you can see this is the post. So now after tapping here, click on this 3 days on the top right corner again, and then you can see restore. Simply click on restore. Let me just show you, and then click on restore. Now go back, wait for a while. It will be restored. So I'm sorry, what you have to do, you have to go here again, and then go to the recently deleted option here, and here you can see this is the one. Simply tap here again, you have to do restore, and then click on restore option, and then here you have to send the email. You have to confirm the email, so just click on next option, and you can see here you will find a code here. It may up to a minute, so you have to go to the Gmail provided here. You can see you have to go to your Gmail. So let me just go back to my Gmail and enter my code. So guys, you can see here on my email I have successfully received one code. So this is the code. So I have to put this code 324816. 324816. 324816. Now click on this confirm option, and then wait for a while, and you can see here it is successfully restored. So guys, in this way you can restore your photo. You can see here I have successfully got this. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.